Edo Governor Obaseki don address Edo State protesters for Benin City as part of the nationwide End Bad Governance protest. E come acknowledge say Naija people dey vex with the federal government policies wey don make life hard. Obaseki con show say im sabi the pains wey people dey go through and im promise to carry their complaints go meet President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As e dey address the protesters for the popular ring road for Benin City, Obaseki con assure the protesters say im go carry their demands wey be high fuel price, cement prices, rising food costs and the wahala wey unionists dey cause go Abuja go meet the President. For Edo State level, im go handle issues like reducing school fees and handle Agbero's wahala. Say like this, im go fit tackle the local problems and still push for federal action when necessary. The governor come also urge the protesters to keep the protest peaceful and orderly and say make them not allow bad people take advantage of the protest to cause trouble and damage properties.
Let's say I come here, come you say, as my governor, as my government, any message don't send me to Abuja, I will carry the message with all my power go to Abuja. Listen to us now. Say Abuja, listen to us. What? When I was out there, tell me what thing Abuja go do, make food come. When I hear, when I was giving exact message to tell Mr. President what thing exactly make him do. When I hear, change the constitution. Let it change the constitution. Let you give us power. Let you give us local refinery. Let you give us light. Let we give us industry. When I don't tell me 8 things. I go take Abuja. 3, I go do my job. Union, I go remove.
Popular comedian Francis Agoda, wey people sabi as Agodai, join the protest too and come urge the protesters say make them dey law abiding and respect government properties as them dey protest. E come talk say make them protect the properties while them dey push for change so that the protest no go lead to unnecessary damage or wahala.
So it can send our message to federal government so that even him as a governor of the state make it still understand. So people in this state, they are not also happy. People in this state, they are not what? They are hungry.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.